Walking at City Walk. Oh, dito.
Where? Here or there? Maybe there.
Ah,
But it's nice.
sa id pala to. Akala ko ano.
Or hindi pwede. Hindi pwede may
Ano?
coffee delivery man. Delivery mo
Dahil
man ka.
ano. Doon tayo sa McDo. Ay,
Hindi na kayo nagsawa.
di gazebo. Saan sa gazebo?
Same.
Ay, nice oh.
Same. Also same.
Sayang mo, walang ilaw.
No, they're changing.
Changing.
I think it's
Different
solar.
lights. They're all the trees lights.
Walking sa City Walk. Kaya, City Walk. You need to walk.
Because we are
In the city.
Walk.
What is, guys, what is a city? What is a city
Nice,
called?
too much
This
balloon.
one.
No?
Guys, can I tell you? What is
Then is a cafe.
what is
One I
Ayan na, City Walk.
city called? What is a city called?
Oh, ito yun, di ba? Yung
Yeah,
natin.
that's one.
Ano nga ba yun?
We went from there.
Which is today, everyone is
Lollipop sa...
Bubbles. Mommy, this is
Saya. Ito ang saya-saya.
Oo nga eh. So, cafe. Ang ganda. Siyempre lang kami diling.
Ayan o, ito yung...
Dati kami
Okay, 1, 2, ang saya-saya.
saya-saya mag-walking.
Ang saya.
You know Chris helped me write that.
Yeah.
Hello Kitty.
Remember?
Hello Kitty.
Expo.
Ito, di ko naman.
Mocha.
Wow.
Di ba doon?
It's slow.
And there.
Slow.
Yata ang grocery. Akala ko, doon siya.
Watch.
To go eat mochi.
Ayun yata. doon.
Mochi.
Mochi.
Ay, may
Camera.
bull. Food. Asa na kaya direct? Ito talagang directory.
Rainbow for this.
Asa lahat ito? King.
Rainbow for this. Rainbow for this.
Ay, ayun. Ano, McDonald's.
There. We went there before.
Ayun ang
That pineapple.
Green Planet.
Yeah. This one, we walk here, from here, going
Oh,
there.
McDonald's or what do you want?
Cafe.
To look.
This one, Wagamama.
Waga
Ramen.
man.
Ramen.
Waga mama.
Ramen.
What's wrong?
Daddy said you want ramen.
Excited.
Mommy should have been Mommy should have been we got my relative
Fresh
chopsticks and we're eating ramen. Diba? I didn't know that you're bringing that's why.
Nice here, oh. It's like at the Butterfly Garden.
Oh, yeah.
And Sarja.
Wait, did we even go in the middle?
Yung Green Planet doon.
We'll go back now.
Grass. McDonald's.
Kumain naman.
McDonald's. Let's go there. There. Ano ito? Roxy. Cafe
Like
Divino.
every time I see you, and I almost never shop.
Because it's
Ayan, Keventers.
When it's in the summer.
There's a train. No?
I made
Keventers. Di ba nung dumating tayo, masarado pa siya. Kasi araw na.
I want to try one actually.
Canadian
It's so
University.
slow.
This hindi madulas to.
Are we allowed to go inside?
I think, yeah.
maintain proper distance.
Yeah. Show me how to move on the
Cafe
water.
Divino.
Wow, ice cream. Wait, I want the milkshake. I want the milkshake. Milkshake.
Boba?
Maracat milkshake.
Oh, look, oh.
No, I want to say it look like this.
Ice cream ka na naman. Nag-ice cream na kayong
No,
dalawa.
I said I want the milkshake. That's ice cream.
It's still the same.
Yeah, it's still the same sweet and
Hungry Joe.
Maracat is with the fruits. You know?
Ganda pala maglakad nga dito.
Really fun little knuckles.
Ito, arts.
Oy, coffee.
I want to pay. I just want and you
Studio yan.
also learn about the human body.
It's different. Yun, walang gaano tao. Dito kami sa McDonald's. Oo nga, yung wifi. At McDonald's. Coffee here.